So the first two tunes that I played for you on the Smallpipes are tunes from the Highland bagpipe repertoire. And most people who play Smallpipes today are people who also play the Scottish Highland bagpipe, and they're looking for an instrument that is a little bit more indoor friendly and is easier to play along with other musicians like fiddle players, guitar players. Certainly my wife is very happy that I have these as an alternative to the Scottish pipes. But there was at one time a repertoire of music that was really intended for bellows pipes like these. Many of those tunes got absorbed into the Northumbrian bagpipe repertoire. But about 20-25 years ago, a manuscript was discovered full of this kind of music for bellows blown Scottish pipes. It's the the William Dixon manuscript, and I'm going to play you a tune from that manuscript. This is a tune from the Scottish Borders called "My Love Comes Passing By Me."